Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Gazelle Hemex DX HB Variant Test Multipack. Here we can see the brand name Gazelle, product name Hemex DX HB Variant Test Multipack, reference number S10B, 25 HB variant cartridge sets, one tray assembly, one tray, one cartridge, one applicator guide, one sample applicator, one sample collector, one bottle of HB variant marker fluid 5 ml, one bottle of HB variant buffer 45 ml, Gazelle HB variant test multipack package insert, Gazelle HB variant test instruction for use. These are the contents inside this pack. This is a top view of this product. Here we can see device version 10.08.00 or higher required for this cartridge to be work. This is a front view. On this side it has plain. On this side we can see marketed by address, and we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. This product is made in India, so the origin of the kit is India. This is the back side of this product. This is the overall view. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here, after opening, we can see Gazelle HB variant test instruction for use. Our next one is Gazelle HB variant test multi-pack package insert, and also device warning code, device version 10.08.00 or higher is required for this product. You can also check the version of your device, how to see. Here we can see, first of all I am going to see the instruction for use. Gazelle HB variant test instruction for use. Test setup, gather materials, and how to power on the analyzer, enter patient information, how to make sample into the test card, and how to handle the test cards. All the stuff inside this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. The next one is Gazelle HB variant test multi-pack package insert, intent use, overview, principle of procedure, materials included, associated materials required. So these are the stuff inside this package insert. Now we already seen the warning card. So the next one is Gazelle HB variant cartridge set. This set contains one tray assembly, tray, cartridge, applicator guide, one applicator, one sample collector. Here also we can see the lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry date. We can see the back side of this kit. Here we can see this is a tray. I will show you. This is a tray. So this grey color, and this white color shows a cartridge, and this one is an applicator guide, and also you can see there's a white color tube, a sample collector, and also you have one applicator. So these are the contents. This. So the next one is a HB variant buffer volume of 45 ml and HB variant marker fluid volume of 5 ml. Here also we can see the manufacturing date, and this pack contains a 45 ml of variant buffer and 5 ml of marker fluid. So this two contains this pack. So this is the overall view of this product. Here we go for summary. So the remaining test cartridges we can see. So this box totally contains 25 test cartridges and a variant buffer and variant marker fluid in a cover. Here you go for summary. Today we can see about Gazelle Hemex DX HB Variant Test Multipack. This pack contains 25 HB variant cartridge set. Thus that one tray assembly contains one tray, one cartridge, one applicator guide, one sample applicator, one sample collector. These are that one tray assembly, one cartridge, one applicator guide, one sample applicator, one sample collector. These are the 5 in one cartridge. So the next one is one bottle HB variant marker fluid 5 ml and one bottle HB variant buffer 45 ml. These two buffers are contained in this pack. And next one is Gazelle HB variant test multi-package insert. This one that. And next one is Gazelle HB variant test instruction for use. This is that. This is a overall view. Thank you.